the move by His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta of signifying the intention of ensuring nurses' issues are unaddressed is welcome, and we are waiting for an official invitation for talks that we hope will end this stalemate. I also wish to state that nurses' strike is still on, and it shall only be called off by the General Secretary. Therefore, calls to get nurses back to the hospitals by the stated strangers are futile. The letters being issued by the hospital management to the nurses to get them back to work for the purposes of job evaluation is null and void and shall be ignored. We wish, therefore, to thank His Excellency the President and laud his move, knowing that it would fast track the process of ending the strike. 2. We therefore also wish to request the media to uphold their dignity by allowing only accredited and authorized officials to address issues of nurses. We also request John Biiy team to stop wasting their time by purporting to talk for nurses, and that none of their efforts will end the strike. Finally, we remain ready for dialogue, and we will treat any invitation very serious if and when properly communicated to us.